Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Today I have prepared one of the most difficult roundabout situations. Only 10% of people answered this problem correctly during the pretest. Let's see how fast you can solve it. So, look carefully at the screen. Which driver will not break the rules when driving through a roundabout? Option A, drivers of the white and blue cars. Option B, drivers of the red and green cars. Option C, driver of the green car. Option D, driver of the red car. Option E, drivers of the red and blue cars. Option F, driver of the white car. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. The picture with the task shows a roundabout intersection with 4 cars. The red and green cars are moving in a circle and intend to exit at the nearest exit, and the white and blue cars intend to enter the circle. To determine which of them does not violate the rules, it is necessary to analyze the picture with the task in more detail. Let's start with the cars that intend to exit the circle. Since we do not see the road markings responsible for driving in lanes, we immediately find the first violator, namely the driver of the green car, who violates the rule according to which before turning right, left or making a U-turn, the driver must take the appropriate extreme position in advance on the roadway intended for traffic in this direction, except for cases when a turn is made at the entrance to an intersection where a roundabout is organized. The driver of the red car exits the circle from the far right lane, but he intends to perform the maneuver into the left lane. When turning right, the vehicle must move as close as possible to the right edge of the roadway. Since there is no visible obstacle to turning into the right lane, the driver of the red car will also violate the rule by performing the planned maneuver. Now let's move on to the pair of cars that are going to enter the roundabout. Since we found out that the rule allows entering the roundabout from any lane, neither car violates its requirement. However, the driver of the blue car is going to enter the left lane of the circle right away, which, just like in the situation with the red car, is a violation. So it turns out that only the driver of the white car does not violate the rule when driving through the roundabout. Accordingly, the correct answer to the problem is F. Congratulations if you chose it. So, admit it, which of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.